Caribbean Family Adventure Show. We're at the Santa Monica Pier. And most of what I saw was giant rides. And right now we're on a bridge. And we're on the sea right now. Cool rides over there. And most of all that we're seeing is rides and shops.
What's the weather been like?
Very foggy.
Very foggy?
Very foggy. Welcome back to the Caribbean Family Adventure Show. I just went on this ride. And it was very fun.
There it is. Show us what you got.
Now we're on 3rd Street, Santa Monica. And I've seen these two talented people and their kids. And one sings very good and one does the drums very good. Awesome! All kinds of desserts over there. And what I think about was today was a pretty fun day. And what I think about it was pretty fun and there was all kinds of crazy rides. And that it was a good time and a good time at this place that we went to.
Santa Monica.
Santa Monica. Adventures are good.